Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to track light to an object in Blender. So before we start, I recommend you to subscribe my channel to stay up to date with my videos. Okay, so let's start with it. So what you need to do now? We need to create a new object. So I go to Add, then I go to Mesh, and I select here Cube. After that, we need to select this light, so I click on it. You will see here a lot of really useful settings, but we are interested in to go to Constraints, Object Constraint Properties. So I click on this one option, and now is a really important action. We need to go to Add Object Constraint, and here you have Track to settings. It will let you to add constraint to the active object, Track to Legacy Tracking Constraint Prone to Twisting Artifacts. So I select this one option, and now it's very important thing because on the target we need to click on object and we need to select object that we want to track. So for example, I select here cube, and now like you see your object is being tracked. But of course, if you want to apply your change, so you need to click here and select here apply. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.